Hi guys, you've made it. The exam is over. Hopefully, you've taken a day or two off. Now what? A lot of you may feel at a loss for what to do right now, and some of you may even feel depressed because you suddenly don't have studying for this exam occupying your time anymore. I've made some videos on how to handle your time and mindset now that you've taken the exam. I will put the links in the description for you to watch. Some of you may now be wondering if you should start studying for the July bar just in case. And the answer is no. You need to put some time and distance between yourself and the exam before doing a post mortem or debrief. In all reality, do you even feel like looking at anything resembling the study materials right now? Some of you may be so exhausted you can't even think straight right now. The best thing you can do now is to give yourself time to decompress and reconnect with the world you set aside when you started this journey. You can now get back to doing all the things I suggested you put off, especially in the last 2 weeks before the exam, such as getting back on to social media and binge watching your favorite shows. Take some time off if you can. Go on a reward trip or a long drive. Get out into nature and be around other people because you have been cooped up for so long, and try to get back to normal as much as you can. And most importantly, just take a deep breath and relax for the next few days. You guys certainly deserve it.